Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to be doing a kind of everyday makeup look that I do. So yeah, let's just head right in and start this video. So today we're actually starting out with the Huda Beauty Faux Filter foundation. I think that's how you say it. I'm not really sure, but I've actually never tried this foundation, and I heard it's very full coverage, which is nice because I'm having a few breakouts. So this will be nice for me to use. Looks like this. It's actually a really pretty bottle. It's plastic and it has a pump, so that's awesome. And so I'm just going to be spreading it on here. I got the shade Chai, which that makes me want a chai tea. Can anyone? I didn't prime my face. So I need to do that because that is just not going to fly. I'm going to be using the Tatcha Silk Canvas.
La 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 la.
Now I'm going to put my hair up. And also, I'm loving these Invisibobbles. They stretch out when you put your hair, like, I'm not in the frame. They stretch out when you put your hair up, like, for a while, and then they literally just go right back to the size of your wrist. It is literally the best because all of my other hair ties just stretch out, and then they always say don't stretch back down. So I'm really liking these because they stretch out down. I can wear them on my wrist. Okay, so we're just going to go in with the Beauty Blender and just...
La la la, ma chérie, amor, lovely as a summer day.
My chérie, more really the thing that I adore. You're the only girl my heart beats for.
My chérie, amor, distant as the Milky Way.
Shade Tape and the shade Light Neutral, and I just like to put that here.
Pretty little one that I adore, you're the only girl my heart beats for.
And before I blend that out, I'm actually going to add some of my Jeffree Star concealer just to get a little more of that brightening effect because this one's a bit lighter. Okay, now I blend it out.
I wish that you were mine in a cafe or sometimes on a crowded street.
Then I'm going to go in with my Huda Beauty Banana Bread Powder, and I am just going to do that. And then I'm going to put this get those creases out if there is any, and just that where
near you, but you never noticed me.
And then just everywhere else that I put concealer, I will just put some powder on there. And I also really like to put it where my smile lines are just because I crease here a lot. Next I'm going to do my brows, and I am going to do these off camera just because it's a lot easier for me, and I will be right back. Okay, I am back, and now we are going to be doing bronzer. I'm going to be going in with the Fenty Private Island, and we are just going to slightly bronze up the face.
My chérie, amor, won't you tell me how could you ignore that behind that little smile I wore? I wish that you were mine.
Still bronzing away. out the cheekbones with the Jeffree Star powder just because it's a little lighter than the Huda Beauty one that I'm using.
La 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 la.
Okay, now I'm gonna be going in with my Beige Bronzed Bronzer, and I'm just going to swirl my brush in there and only get the back portions just to give that more definition here.
La la, maybe someday you'll see my.
We're gonna go back in with my Luminoso because this is my baby. I love this blush. It is so pretty.
Face among the crowd.
Okay, and since this is an everyday look, I always use highlight. I'm using the Natasha Denona Super Glow.
Someday I'll share your little distant cloud. Oh, Shelly, oh, more pretty little one that I adore. You're the only.
Now I'm going to be putting some mascara on. And I just bought another one of these because it's my favorite drugstore mascara. It is the Lash Paradise by L'Oreal, and it literally does wonders for your eyelashes.
My heart beats for. I wish that you were mine.
So while that is trying, we are gonna do like a we're gonna do a lip pencil and a gloss over, and I'm just going to line the lips. This is Maybelline Shaping Lip Liner in the shade Purely Nude.
La 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 la.
And then I'm going to be putting on the Buxom White Russian Mini Lip Plumping Gloss all over the lid, all over my lips. And then on top of that gloss, for a little bit more shimmer, I'm going to be also adding the Buxom Dominique Plumping Gloss just in the centers. Alright, gonna take my hair down. Okay guys, that's it for the video. This would be my finished everyday kind of makeup look that I would wear. A simple kind of face, but then a little lip color, and you are all set. So I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe, like this video, and follow me on Instagram. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video.